Everybody, this is Chris Bullock. I'm here at Lift Strength and Conditioning. Today we're going to be talking about a basic warm-up exercise or strength exercise, the split squat, one of our very first progressions in the unilateral patterns. Okay, so when we set up for the split squat, a lot of times I like to start the pattern from the bottom. So we're going to go into our half kneeling position here. And what we're looking for in this position is a vertical shin. And we want this negative space in between the legs to be relatively square. So what I mean by that is if I get too long in my stance, that negative space, that square gets spread out. If I start to lean forward too much, my square is slanted forward, right? And if I get too narrow, obviously that ruins the square as well. So what I'm trying to look for is a relatively square negative space in between the legs right here, okay? So when I go to stand up, I'm going to be pushing through my front side heel, but I want even distribution of weight on my front side leg, just making sure that we're not allowing the heel to lift, to get too heavy onto the toes, okay? Good thing to work on throughout this split squat is using your arms in a locomotion pattern like you're running or you're walking. So we're going to go, if my left knee's up, my right hand would be up, and I'm just going to go from here, and I'm going to switch as I stand, pushing from that front side leg, and then I'm going to drop that backside knee right away to come back down into my starting position. And when we're first learning this, it's a really good idea to check that. That's your feedback. Check that square each time. Make sure that you're coming back down and we hadn't fallen forward or we hadn't changed our alignment. So it's just straight up, down touch, down touch. Again, really good drill for the warm-up, drill for our first progression on the unilateral single leg work. And then also good strength exercise once we get to loading that pattern up. So anyway, thanks for watching. Go ahead and give it a shot.